In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to change button color styles. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Squarespace. Head to the Squarespace site, click Login, and sign into your account. From your dashboard, choose the website you want to work on and select Go to Website to open it. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit Site, then click Edit so the page becomes interactive and ready for changes. On the page, click a button you want to restyle. Selecting an actual button helps Squarespace surface the right controls for that element. If you see a small edit icon for the block or section that contains the button, click it to open settings, then switch to the Design tab. Here, choose Primary Button to focus on your main call to action style and click Edit Button Styles. This is important because button styles are global. When you change the primary button style here, every primary button across your site will update to match, keeping your design consistent. Next, use the back arrow to return to the main Site Styles panel. Open Colors by clicking the arrow next to it. Colors in Squarespace are grouped into themes that apply to specific sections like light, dark, or custom palettes. Find the color theme that applies to the section where your button appears and make sure it's accurate by watching the live preview as you select it. If it doesn't look right, simply choose a different theme until it matches the section you're editing. When you've identified the correct theme, click the edit icon to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, scroll to the button area. Locate Primary Button Background and click the color swatch next to it. Pick your new color from the palette or enter a hex code if you have a brand color. Your changes will preview instantly, so fine-tune the hue and saturation until it feels right. Aim for strong contrast between the button background and the text for readability and accessibility. A bold background with clear text typically converts better. If your site uses both primary and secondary buttons, let the primary button be the most prominent and keep the secondary more subtle so there's a clear visual hierarchy. As you adjust, glance through a few sections that use the same color theme to confirm the update looks good site-wide. Once you're happy, your new color style is in place, and all primary buttons tied to that theme will reflect the change automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed your button color styles in Squarespace.